When a plant shutdown occurs, it's a race against time. Hundreds of contractors and craft workers converge on your site, each needing a place to operate from. BOXX Modular is your solution. We provide modular buildings that are quick to install, flexible, and designed to meet your specific needs. Our conference rooms offer a quiet, insulated environment away from the production floor, perfect for planning and collaboration. Each package is unique, tailored to the purpose of the space. Our conference rooms come equipped with large tables and comfortable seating options. For the well-being of your employees, our break rooms provide a relaxing space to unwind, eat, and connect with coworkers. A comfortable break room is crucial for productivity, reducing stress, and preventing burnout. Our modular offices can be designed with an open floor plan for collaboration or private offices for confidential discussions. A lavatory option is also available for maximum comfortability on site. With BOXX Modular, you can have a dedicated, quiet space right in the heart of your facility, minimizing interruptions and maximizing efficiency. We are here to help. Contact us today for more information or your personalized quote.